Jungle.
Hi guys, we are Group 1.
And for today, we are going to rate the flavors that Big Brew offers. So, pero bago ayon, we are going to have the background ng Big Brew. So, alam nyo ba guys, na yung Big Brew is launched noong 2019. Alam mo? Hindi nyo alam yun. And it's a Filipino-founded company committed to delivering high quality but very budget friendly. They also have branches in Malolos, Panasahan, Sumaba, Santa Isabel, and Malolos Crossing. Yeah, you're right. Kaya naman talagang papatok to, lalo na sa mga estudyante. Diba?
Yes!
So ngayon, meron kaming 5 different flavors ng milk tea that Big Brew offers. Meron tayong, ano nga meron tayo guys?
We have matcha.
Yes!
Yes! Wow! Yes, cake. Yes, cake.
Strawberry. Yeah.
And
Cookies and cream. Para sa lahat nun guys. Lalo na yung matcha. So, ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
Let's start! So, first,
Don't like matchas. 8 out of 10. Cookies and cream made from orange.
Nine over 10.
why?
It tastes like cheese.
It's cheesecake.
Very good. Cheers. Hey, Jan, cheers.
Strawberry.
Wow.